So hi guys, so welcome to today's session where I'll be taking through Euler's theorem in M1. Okay, so let's go through it and learn some few things about the same. So this is our Euler's theorem question. Simple thing, there is a simple formula, something like x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to nu. X dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equal to nu, where n is the degree. Where n is what? The degree. Okay. For example, here we can see 3. In this question, we can see 3. So n is what? 3. So n is the highest degree. Very, very easy method to do the partial fraction or the partial differentiation respectively. So let us take the first question itself. Okay. U is equal to x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube. So first write down the formula. What is the formula? The one which I just marked in the box, this thing. X dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equal to nu. So first you find what? Dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y. So u is this term. Partially differentiate with respect to x. Partially differentiate with respect to x. So see, in the above thing you are just taken what? The x cube common and everything. That is nothing but to find the nu, the degree thing. Okay, we don't have any confusion for finding out the partial fraction. X cube differentiation is what? 3x square. And again, in the partial differentiation, when you're doing dou u by dou x, what will happen to the y term? Y term will be constant. The y term will be what? It will be constant. So this will be what? 0 with respect to x. So that is the reason we cannot find any y cube term. Okay. Are you getting it or not? Not with this particular thing, with this one. Plus 0. So you should be very, very clear on where to use what. So normal function of our UV rule is what? U dash V plus UV dash. But here, what we'll do mainly, it's very, very easy that the normal differentiation. If you're differentiating partially with respect to x, y is taken as constant. And if you're partially differentiating with respect to y, x is taken as constant. Then you substitute in these things. Okay, then group the similar term. Group the x terms on one side, group the y terms on the other side. Okay, once you do that, then you'll get 3 into something. You can take 3 common from everything. You'll get x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube. This is equal to 3u. Okay, where 3 is called the partial differentiation respectively.